Hello hustlers, and welcome back to the IBA Hustle channel. IBA Hustle provides education for freelancers and independent contractors. IBA Hustle can help you with things from startup to expansion and beyond. We'll give you tips on setting goals, doing research, planning, money management, and more. If this is the kind of information you find helpful, please hit the like button to let us know and help us out so we can continue to produce this kind of content to help hustlers like you. We also invite you to subscribe and tap the bell icon to be notified when we upload new content. And definitely share it on your social media to help get the messages out to others seeking the information we provide. In today's economy, you should remember, IBA Hustle, do you? Then act on it. This is day 12 of our special 30-day freelance business money mindset challenge. In this episode we'll discuss a 5-step strategy for establishing an emergency savings fund. Having an emergency savings account can determine whether or not you are forced to close the doors on your business or whether or not it continues to thrive. Surprise expenses come up. That's just the way things go in life. However, when you have an emergency savings fund, the impact of these surprises on both you and your monthly income is significantly reduced. Because you have money saved up for emergencies, you don't even notice when these things happen. When the emergency situation has been resolved, you can get back to doing business as usual. However, if you do not have the necessary funds saved up, an unexpected expense may cause you to abandon your plans. It has the potential to interfere with your ability to pay bills and keep your business operating normally. In addition to that, it can be an extremely stressful experience. Just for a moment, put yourself in the position of having to cancel your service business for an entire month due to illness. It's not a pleasant situation, but it can arise. What impact would this have on your financial situation? If you are unable to deliver your service, then you will not be able to generate any revenue. And there are still some bills that need to be paid. If you do not have any cash coming in, your only options are to either use credit to pay your bills or not pay them at all. Neither of these options is particularly appealing. On the other hand, if you have money saved up, you can take care of your financial obligations and relax knowing that you won't be hindered in your ability to return to work as soon as you regain your health. The plan for your emergency savings fund can be created as follows. Step 1. Determine how much you need to have. Take a look at how much money you bring in each month now that you know how much it is. This is the bare minimum amount that you should have stashed away in your savings account for unexpected expenses. If you bring in $1,500 each month in revenue, then that is the amount of money you should initially put into your savings account. Your goal should be to eventually have enough savings to cover an emergency situation for at least 6 months. On the other hand, at first glance, that quantity might appear to be an overwhelming amount. Begin with the money you make in 1 month. The second step is to decide where you will keep it. The following thing you need to do is make a decision about how you are going to put the money away. Establishing automatic weekly or monthly deductions from your primary account into another account is one of the most straightforward ways to build up an emergency savings account. This can be done in either direction. The money shouldn't be overly accessible, but at the same time, it shouldn't be overly difficult to get to it either. Think about opening a savings account online. They have reasonable fees and make it simple to make automatic transfers and deductions. Step 3. Establishing a savings plan for yourself. The next thing you need to do is examine your financial plan and determine how much money you can put aside on a weekly or monthly basis. For instance, are you able to put away $25 every week? If this is the case, you will be able to save roughly $100 every single month. Examine the areas of your spending plan where you might be able to make reductions to save money. You can also look at your income plan to determine whether or not there are any straightforward methods that can be used to boost your income. Put some of the money in your savings account for unexpected expenses into an emergency fund every time you get a windfall of extra cash, such as when you get your tax refund or have a particularly successful month. Set it and forget it is the 4th step. You can stop contributing to the account once it has been credited with an amount equal to 6 months' worth of income. Put it in automatic mode and forget about it. If you keep the funds in an account that awards interest, you will receive a modest sum of additional compensation each month. That's the cherry on top of a delicious cake. The 5th step is to put the money to use. You will at some point put the money in the savings account to use. When this occurs, you will need to start the monthly deductions again so that you can make up for the money that you spent. Take, for instance, the scenario in which you need to replace your computer and have saved a total of $5,000 in a separate account. You spend $1,000 to purchase a brand new personal computer. You are going to want to put that $1,000 back into your savings account for unexpected expenses. It is good business practice to open a savings account specifically for unexpected expenses. In addition to that, it is beneficial to your state of mind. Okay, that's all for this episode. We look forward to you joining us daily for the next 30 days and learn how to improve your money EQ. But if you don't want to wait the full 30 days, visit our Gumroad page and download your copy of the I've Hustle 30-Day Freelance Business Money Mindset Challenge. Do you want to learn more about how you can get your freelance business off the ground? Head on over to the I've Hustle on Gumroad and grab yourself the I've Hustle Freelance Business Startup Kit. The I've Hustle Freelance Business Startup Kit will teach you how to gain the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss and create a life you'll love. You can also grab a copy of the I've Hustle Big Book of Freelancing from Amazon. It's full of startup ideas, including instructions to start freelancing quickly using the skills you already have. You'll find the 27 top side gigs for today's markets inside, along with step-by-step instructions for getting up and running fast with your business. I've Hustle is here to help you increase your freelance gig income. For more information about I've Hustle, visit us at ivihustle.com or click the link in the description below. Again, if you found the information helpful, please hit the like button. It lets us know what kind of content to produce to help hustlers like you. While you're doing that, please share this video to help others learn more about being an expert freelancer. This way you'll be able to show yourself as someone who knows how to find the facts and substantiate their expertise. We invite you to subscribe and tap the bell icon to be notified when we upload new content. Please visit the I've Hustle's Gumroad page for ebooks, merch, and reports. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other videos. Follow us on social media. Until tomorrow, hustlers.